You look so cute.
Thank you.
Don't pick on the questions.
I won't.
You promise?
I promise. I pinky promise.
Pinky. Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Hope everyone is doing fine. If you're a new subscriber, hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you're old subby, thanks everyone for watching and stay tuned. Today we are doing the husband tag. So if you guys don't know what the husband tag is, basically I'll be asking hubby some questions and he's gonna have to answer them, and he doesn't know any of the questions that I'm going to ask. So you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. No peeking.
I won't peek. Where's the fun if I do that? So.
All right. Question 1. How did we meet?
Online.
We were specific.
On Facebook.
Okay. We met on Facebook. You got that right. That's one down.
I get all of them.
You get all of them?
I will get all of them.
Alright, we'll see about that. What is my favorite Jamaican food?
No, you always told me, well, you like fish, you like, you always tell me
Alright,
about God.
okay, let me do this one specific. Name one of my favorite Jamaican dish.
Curry goat?
Curry goat and what? What do I like to eat curry goat with?
Rice and peas?
Okay, alright, I give you that. That's just one of many. Alright, so that's 2. What do you like about me the most? Tell the truth.
No, I like all of you. I like all of you. I like the way you are, how you take care of your husband.
Oh, I'm blushing.
No, that's true. That's true.
Aww. All right. What is my favorite sport and who is my favorite athlete? Wait, 1 female and 1 male. So you have to name 2 of my favorite athletes.
Okay, for the favorite sport, I won't say baseball. I'm gonna say track and field. I know it's right. So, what is the favorite male athlete except me? That's a good question. I'm gonna say, as a famous athlete, I'm gonna say Paul. As a famous.
What's his first name?
Asafa Paul.
Oh yeah. And who is your favorite female athlete?
I'm not gonna say one of your friends, because that's gonna be
don't
too
say
easy.
one of my friends.
That's gonna be too easy. Like, if I say Asafa, we have to say Shay Fraser.
Of course. Shout out to my girl Shelly. Alright. Name 5 of my closest female friends.
Oula, I hope they are not watching us.
I hope they'll be watching, because if he doesn't get it right, you're gonna kill
I hope they're
him.
not watching us. I'm gonna say first the 2 godmother of our son. So I'm gonna say Salsia Slack and Shani Denise.
Okay, that's 2.
Then I'm gonna say Shadi Green.
Yes, that's 3.
I have to say Al Jassiri.
That's 4.
Elaine.
Of course.
Elaine Thompson.
You got it. He got them right. Shout out to my girls. All right. What am I afraid of the most? Name something.
Frog, lizard, cheese.
French cheese, that is.
What else you afraid? I mean the most.
Frogs, lizard, and French cheese. Frogs, lizards, and French cheese. I am afraid of those things. Alright, you got that. Oh, you're doing pretty well.
I told you.
Alright. How long did we date it before we got married? Give me specifics.
Yeah, I'm counting like 2 years and about 4 months.
Okay. 2 years and 4 months.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're getting everything
Yeah, that's
right.
easy. This one is easy.
But all the others you got them right.
They're all easy.
Alright, something.
The harder one was
coming
about
up.
the food, Jamaican food.
Alright.
Because I didn't know about patty and all of these things.
What is my shoe size?
Well, you get shoes yesterday or before yesterday, so that should be easy. But
Okay,
I don't know.
Hold on. What is my shoe size in Euro?
Yeah, that's
and what is my shoe size in English in USA?
No, I know in French, well, in Europe, so it's 39. That's what you got yesterday. Yesterday you got a 39, so it should be 39. Sometimes you try the 40, but you got 39. For American, I really don't know. Is it 6.5 or 7?
No, it's 8.
8. Sorry,
You
but
get one wrong.
yeah, it's right.
What is my favorite color?
Blue. Green. Green. Green.
Got
Green.
it. Blue.
Blue.
Oh gosh, you make me laugh so much my head hurts. Alright. What is my favorite TV series? If you ever don't get this.
I don't think I know that. TV series, like, I'm not talking about TV show. You're talking about TV series.
Yeah, or something that we watch together.
You used to like Criminal Minds, but it's been a long time that you didn't watch that.
Yeah, that's true.
So I can't really say it. Oh, you're talking 24?
Yes, 24. Who do I have to talk to on the phone every day?
Your mom, your sister. So it should be your mom first, then your sister.
Babe, you get all the questions.
Because it's easy question.
No, they're not easy. I guess you just know me.
You're my wife.
Well, that's true. What reality TV do I always watch?
Reality?
Yeah.
I know you watch on the Kardashian?
Yes.
Okay.
These questions are too easy for you. Okay guys, so there you have it for the end of our husband tag. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.